All right, guys. So we're gonna continue here with the videos, and today's a pretty simple one. Again, guys, today you should be watching this video. This is the Tuesday video. Let me go ahead and just show you something real quick. I didn't notice this, but yesterday I had given you this page, and I'm assuming that a lot of y'all probably didn't. Oh, hold on. No, you could do this one. I'm sorry. You probably couldn't do these problems right here, okay? Because of the infinity sign, you didn't know how to take care of them, and that's okay. Um, that's what today's lesson is about. So if you didn't work those 4 problems, that's okay. Don't worry about them. So again, here's the video, guys. Today's the video, and I want you to finish the assignment, which is due today. And then once you finish that, start the review, okay? And so I will go ahead and put the answer key for the review up probably today, unless you're watching this before Tuesday, in which case wait for it till Tuesday. So like I said, simple lesson today. I just kind of want you to see what's going on here. And so if I look at this graph, and this right here, I'm going to show you. This is actually an asymptote. Okay. So remember, limits are the y values. And here, what I'm trying to say, or what you're trying to figure out is, if my x value down here, if it goes all the way to infinity, so you see how this is going all the way to infinity? Okay. When my x value is infinity, what is my limit? What's my y value? Now, there's 3 different cases. This is the equation, by the way. When the degree is the same in the numerator and the denominator. So here I can see degree, guys, is just the highest exponent. So here, highest exponent is a 3 and a 2. Okay. So the other case is when the degree is smaller in the bottom. So in this case, it would have just been x plus 1, not x squared. Or the degree is higher on the top. So, excuse me. The degree is higher on the bottom. I should say that. I'm sorry. So let's say this was 3x and then this stayed x squared plus 1. So the only one you will get tested on is this one when the degree is the same. So that's why I'm only going over this one. Okay. So next year in Cal, you guys will see that, both of them. And like I said, this simple lesson. If I look here, guys, if this keeps moving on forever and ever and ever, well, if this and asymptotes never get higher than this, so my limit is just 3. Okay, but if I look at the equation, I could find that too. So when the degree is the same, only when the degree is the same, I get the coefficients. So here's a 3, and here is it's a 1 that I don't see, right? So 3 divided by 1 is 3. So the limit here is 3. Okay, so, and it doesn't matter if it's positive or negative infinity for these problems. Not till next year will you have to deal with the differences there. So here, first I want you to see that the, oops, out of focus. The limit is the same, right? Because the highest up here is x and the highest down here is x. So here I'm going to get my coefficient. So here is a 2 and right here is a 1. So the limit as I approach infinity of that equation is 2 over 1. Which I can simplify, which is equal to 2. Okay, that's it. I mean, a simple question here. So here, again, guys, here the highest exponent is squared. And down here, I see 2 x's. So remember, here I would have to do FOIL. Okay, so here x times x is x squared plus 5x minus x, oops, not plus 5, minus 5. And really, I mean, this, you don't have to do this. What's x times x? X squared. This, remember, the only one I need is the highest exponent, which I could have stopped right there. So here, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the whole thing just so you guys can see it. So my highest exponent is 3 and 1. which is when I divide 3 and 1, it's just equal to 3. So my limit is 3. Okay, so like I said, guys, go ahead and just keep going, keep moving forward, and I will see you all in the next video.